Guys, very good morning. I hope everyone has joined. Today's class will be on the introduction of the syllabus, whatever we are having, and we will discuss about how we will be going it up with. And before I think the next class, I will send you the course plan also, that how, in what sense, in which class we will be doing what type of topic. Okay, so let us just go through what we have. Today only 11 people are there, so I am taking the attendance. Please say yes, sir. Gautam Godra, Hemant Kumar, Matang Sharma, Parth
Yes,
Narendra
sir.
Bhai, Pushpendra Pal Singh, Rahul Jevaria, Rakesh Raika,
Sir.
Rohan Modi,
Present, sir.
Gaurya Dixit,
Yes, sir.
Soumya Deepa,
Present, sir.
Tirthak Bhai.
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
Okay. So let me just take you to the syllabus. I hope you can see the screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the syllabus you have. The primary objective of this course is to develop the research orientation among the scholars and acquaint them with the fundamentals of research matter. Specifically, the course aims at introducing them to the basic concept used in the research and to scientific social research methods in their approach. Right. So what we are doing in this course is that I think you guys might never have studied this business research methods before. So, is it so? Have you studied this BRM before?
No,
Anyone?
sir.
Yeah. So, what do you think it would be? Let me just ask from you guys. Yes, Matan. What do you think this research, this particular subject would be like? Come on. Yes, Matan. Yeah, anyone, anything.
Uh,
Yeah.
yes, sir.
Research means what? Just any idea about it?
Sir, the name itself says the research.
Sorry,
So research of some specific.
a bit louder, my dear.
So,
A bit louder. Yes, Matan.
yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. What is research?
Sir, research. Research तो क्या sir?
Sorry.
To find something.
Any vague idea, Matan, is not necessary that you say. Means whatever is coming in your mind. When we say research, whatever comes in your mind, just speak up. Come
Sir,
on.
find out something.
Very good.
Sir,
Find out something. Soumya Deepa, yeah.
the
Yes.
research is like collection of documentation or any analysis we are doing in case, or like according to it. Like if we do in something you are given, so we have to research that topic about. That is known as research. To collect information and all.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. What else? Parth, are you there, Parth? Searching means to find out, and researching means to find out again. Parth Narendra Bhai, are you there? Yes. Tirthak. 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 Rakesh. You there, Rakesh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Rakesh. Yeah. What comes in your mind when you say research?
So analyzing some business or something like that, sir. Analyzing a particular business and figuring out how they work.
Okay. It is about business. So, what is about something means when we say research, in my mind, some a person who is having a apron, okay, doing some experiment in the laboratory comes in my mind. What comes in your mind? So, forget about business. So, what comes in your mind when you just say research? Or what else comes in your mind when you say research? Come on. Yes.
Finding new facts about something which is already been discovered.
Very good. So finding out some new facts for sure, which has not yet been discovered. Okay, it means you are researching, means you know there is a heap of grass, but still you are searching some needle out of it. Some needles might you have found out before, but still you are finding some needle more. Okay, so whenever you find a new needle, it is just a new research out of that particular heap of the grass in which it is very difficult to find out the needles, I suppose. Is it so? What is a new
Yes,
bent,
sir.
new turn? So this is one. So what happens? Okay, why we do research? Anyone? Rakesh?
So to get to know the unexplored areas of the these things of the studies.
Unexplored area, very good. To get to know about the unexplored area, very good, Rakesh. Yeah, Matan, what do you think? Why we do research? Come on. Yes, Matan, are you there, Matan? Gautam?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Matan. Why we do research, Matan?
So research. Mm, why do we research? So to create interest, sir, in field.
Yes, come on, come on, come on. Want to say in Hindi?
So actually वो आ नहीं रहा.
हाँ?
Sir, don't know, sir.
कोई बात नहीं, कुछ जो भी बोलना चाहो बोलो. Why we do research? Research क्यों करता है आदमी? Why we do research? And when this research starts, just now Rakesh has told, in order to explore the unexplored things. I will say it like this: whenever a child takes birth in this world, he starts researching. The trigger of research starts as soon as he takes birth and as soon as he tries to get the senses. His mind starts. His actually mind starts long back before he has come to the world. But he starts researching because he has come to this new world. This is new to him or her, and then he start exploring the things. He sees here and there. He watches the things and try to take the information. Am I correct or not? So he tries to take the information from wherever he can, and then that information becomes a data because that is segregated into certain pattern. And with the help of that data, he actually tries to analyze it for his own good, or maybe for you can say for anything else. So whenever he feels cold, suppose, so he tries to do like this, shrinks himself, and then he get to know that whenever he feels cold, he gets shrink, and from somewhere the mother puts a blanket on him or her, then he feels relieved. So here he explores, oh, this is a blanket, or this is the thing which actually gives me enough warmth and which will keep me, you can say, comfortable. Okay, so he gets to know that with something on me, it will soothe me. It will give me a comfort when it is cold outside somewhere. Then summer comes up. Then he start feeling heat. Okay, he may be feeling sweaty or something like that. Then the fan is on and then he feels relieved. So he get to know that whenever he feels heat, there is something which is called air, which comes and touches his body and he starts soothing. That's why, and how he reacts. He reacts with crying, with smiles, with all the things, right? with his own body language, he actually tries to give the messages that what he actually wants and how he actually wants and all that, right? So whenever these things happen, then there is one, you can say, maybe a message to other that what he actually wants. And when his wants is fulfilled, then he get to know that what he does in order to get his wants fulfilled. Then he start again doing the same thing in order to get his wants fulfilled. Okay, so that small baby is also doing research as soon as he has come to this world. And what is the genesis of this research? If we see, the genesis of this research is nothing but what? You tell me. Come on. Yes, Rakesh. Yes, Shaurya. What do you think that what has made that particular child research certain things? And how he has actually get to know about what he has to do and how he has to react. Come on. So if we take that example, so what is there which actually makes you do research? That what is my question.
Human
Yes.
nature.
Yes, Shaurya.
Human nature.
Human nature, but nature of what?
So his want for knowing that thing.
Survival.
Yeah. Rakesh, you were saying something?
So his want or his keenness for knowing that thing very much, like getting to know it very
One
more,
step ahead of want. What is that?
is he's eager to learn about
Ahead
that
of
thing.
want or desire.
Need.
Absolutely, it's need. It's the need of the time which actually makes him do the research. And when the need is actually, you can say, a one step more ahead of need is demand. Okay, demand is done when you have money to, when you have resources, or when you have something in exchange to get certain other things. Then that need or want becomes the demand. Otherwise, a desire is remains a desire as it is. Okay. So why I needed this mask? Why I needed this mask? Because it was the need of the time, and it was discovered that with mask actually there will be something which will not go in my nose, in my mouth, and I will be protected from that virus, which otherwise will get me infected. In the same way, the need or the want of that particular baby has actually made him feel soothed when he was given that blanket, or he was feeling soothing when he was exposed to the air in case of summer, or you can say in case of heat. Okay, so this is the thing. So what we will call it as the need or the want are the genesis of research. Why a person will go for researching? He will keep on searching his things because there will be a certain scarcity of certain things, because of which he may be doing certain things, or you can say he might be needing something. Let me take example of electricity. Now, electricity was one of the innovation, you can say. It was totally a thing which actually brought uh, revolution in the entire world. Just imagine if you do not have electricity, what you would have felt. Just try to go in some village where still there is no electricity at all. People are still surviving, but how much backward they are. Today we are talking about internet, and recently there was one storm in I think in Mexico or California, somewhere in US. Recently it was there, and the people got affected, and they felt the need when there was 30 hours blackout. 30 hours blackout means there was no electricity, no internet at all for 30 continuous hours, and with the help of the government it was restored. Okay, so it recently happened because of the storm. The you can say the snowstorm was there, and there was snow all around, and but this all got so much affected that this actually ruined their electricity system totally, completely. and then they realize the need of the electricity. Actually, the things which are in abundance with us, we do not feel the scarcity of it, and then we do not value those things also, as we were not valuing the nature before this pandemic came. Okay, so the need or the want is actually the genesis of research. Why a person will go for research is because of the need or the want of that particular thing. He actually, this actually makes him work towards or in the direction of finding something new, which they may call it as a, you can say, research. Okay, so this is what it actually is, right? Anyways, so when we are talking about research, so this was all about research. Now, what is a business research? Now, I will come up to methods again afterwards. What actually is business research? Anyone? Anyone? So, one thing is very, very clear, that research tries to optimize the existing things. It tries to optimize whatever we have on the platter. Okay. So, whatsoever we are doing now, how efficiently we will be able to do it afterwards is something called research, you can say, or getting something new which makes our life easier. So, one thing is for sure, it is because of needs and wants. Needs and wants of whom? Human beings. So we are human beings. God has given us brain, heart, and hand, or you can say head, hand, and brain. Head, hand, and heart. All the three H's, they have to work together, anyways. But the thing over here is that this is our desire. This is our need, our want, which actually has made us run behind certain things, and towards whatever we are running, we will try to get something new. Okay, so that what is called research. Okay, so this is just a small assignment for all of you. You have to search one song. Movies देखते हो ना सभी लोग? Do you watch movies or not? अरे yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you have to, and please sort of put it in your group also, that this is a homework for today. Whenever we will be meeting in the next class, you have to sing a song which actually tells you about the research. Okay. Okay. So this is one what we have. What is to be done is that you have to search a song. Keep on searching, keep on listening songs of various movies, various films, and then you will be able to understand and know that what type of song is fits in the definition of the research. So you have to go for the definition of research. You can just please use Google and all that for this. Okay. So you have to use it. Now let me just again take you to the, okay, you can see the objectives now. Now, business research method, introduction and the process. What will be the complete entire process of the research? We will be studying research as a source of knowledge, research process, construction concept we will be going with. What are the various types of variables? We will be studying that too. Induction, deduction, and scientific method of research we will be studying. Next is your literature review. Now, literature review is something which you already have, because what the thing is, suppose I want to research on electricity optimization, for example. Now, if I'm researching on electricity optimization, at the same time, I must know that what work has been done till date. What is the present state of optimization of the electricity? Can I optimize it further? So how much is the fuel consumed for which the electricity per unit is being generated? So this is something which I will be getting only out of the work which has already been done. So when we are exploring the work which has already been done, this is called literature review or review of literature. Then afterwards we keep on, you can say, finding out the gaps. Now what is the gap? Gap in the literature is, for example, the The literature tells me that the per unit cost of production of electricity, for example, today is 2.53 rupees. So per unit of electricity is 2.53 rupees, for example, though it is very much less than, because there are various types of electricity is being done, they are being produced. It is solar also, it is from wind also, from thermal also. So there are renewable and non-renewable type of energies, and these all are combined together in order to give it some figure. So let us assume it is 2.50, 2.53. Right. So this is what I have got. So how I have got it? I have got it from the literature review, and the literature review also says that in Singapore, or you can say in Netherlands, like the rate of the electricity produced is very less. For example, they are producing it at the rate of, for example, rupees 50 paisa per unit. Now here in India, in Indian convertible rupees, we are producing it for 2.50, and they are producing it for 50 paisa. So I found a gap that can we optimize it? So what are the factors which are affecting the optimization of electricity in India? This can be one of the topic of the research which you can do. Okay, so this is how we explore the thing. This is how we get to get to know about the research gaps out of the literature review, and then we formulate the research problem. The formulation of research problem here will be the optimization of Indian scenario of electricity, something like that, and then we will frame out certain objectives at how we will be going to conduct this research. Further, there is ethics in research and limitation in research, and research design tells you that how you have to proceed further with the research. So ethics in research and limitations in research will tell you what are the boundaries within which you have to work. Ethical boundaries also, and limited. For example, you cannot just keep on doing research for a very long period of time. So time is always a limitation. Second limitation is money. So time and money is the most important limitation. There may be other limitations also depending on the type of the research you are doing. Further, if you are doing a primary survey, then you have to take samples, then there will be sampling error, standard error, estimation of parameters, accuracy, precision, estimation, sampling procedure, then types and methods, how do you collect the sample, and then center limit theorem is there. Okay. Sample size determination we have to go for, confidence interval we will study. So confidence interval and significance level both are reciprocal to each other. These all things we will be going with. Then further comes the measurement and scaling techniques, that is type of data, what are the various type of data you will be having. There are the scales, there are 4 scales normally, which is ratio, interval, ordinal and nominal scales. So these type of scales will be where we will study, and how we have to collect the data, because any data, whatever data you collect, this will be covered under these 4 scales. Then the comparative and non-comparative scales are there, we will be studying that also. Then we have to go for mapping rules, how you have to map your things on the scales itself. And then we will go for characteristics. What are the good characteristics of a good measurement? Source of error in the measurement, what can be the sources of error and how to reduce it. And then further will come the data collection part. So primary and secondary type of data is there, observation and survey, how you will do it, so methods of survey, interviews, schedule, data collection instruments are there, questionnaire method is there. Then we have to go for validity and reliability testing, that is to be done. And then processing and editing of data, processing of the analysis. For suppose you are editing, encoding, classification and tabulation of the thing, then hypothesis and its testing. Okay, analysis of data using statistical tools. And so here what I will do is I will again also tell you certain tests in SPSS. So meanwhile, when you will be coming to the college, you have to get this software installed in your system. It will be good if you can get a full version. If you do not get a full version, I will provide you a trial version, right? So you can come and meet me personally for that. Okay, so you can take this. So writing the research report, publications, then thesis writing is there. Thesis means your dissertation writing. So here in this portion, particularly what is the outcome is that this particular subject will be having one research project also which you have to do. A small survey, a small identification of problem, and then you have to go for a small survey also, and then preparing a report of that particular survey throughout this particular assignment. So this will be one of the assignment which will be, you can say, which will be evaluated or assessed towards your final paper. And I will keep this assignment of good 15 marks. So you have to just do this assignment and then only you can proceed. And there will be certain quizzes also happening in between, and you will be provided with some assignment, written assignments also, which you have to keep on doing. So the number of assignments and quizzes will be are going to be number, means it will be a huge number this time. Okay, so the most important thing is to clear the concepts, basics, and proceed further with certain simple problems so that you can solve it, resolve it, and understand that how this research happens. So those who are aspiring for the MBA after doing their BBA, they must have at least a concrete background or concrete base of how the research actually happens. Okay, so that is how we will be going further with. So any questions for today's class also if you want to ask? Yes, anyone? So please mind it, from tomorrow and onwards, you have to switch on your videos if you are online. Or offline means you will be in the class, so half of the people will be online doing their things from home. Until unless you keep on your videos for the entire class, attendance will not be given. Okay, so please mind it. Okay, and Shaurya, please put it on the group also, along with the assignment which I have told you. I will give you very interesting assignments like I am going to give you in, I have just now given you that you have to go with a song. Just listen to certain songs. You may be getting some area of some insight of research. Okay, so we will tomorrow take some of the songs, listen from you some of the songs. You can just sing the song in your voice. Sorry, when we will be having next class now?
So, like, timetable is still changing, sir. As per original timetable is Thursday, 4:20.
Okay. So we started with actually, I think, extra class, I suppose. And that too because it was online, that's why we started it off. Right?
Yes, sir.
So anyways, today is, I think, first day of this month. Right? First March,
Yes,
I suppose. So we have well started. Right, so yeah, any question, anything you would like to ask about the conduction of the course or anything else, you may please tell me. Yes, come on. Nothing? So as this is the first class itself, so let me just, okay, I hope you have seen your copies also, everyone, with your marks and all.
Yes, sir.
Great, good. Soon you will be receiving your results of your previous year. I think result, till date has not been declared to the best of my knowledge, but soon it will be out. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Any of the expectations if you have from this class, please tell me. Yes, Matan, what do you expect out of this class?
So nothing as much.
Sorry?
So nothing.
You don't, you do not have any expectation.
No, sir. The main aim is to gain knowledge. That's it.
Gain knowledge of what?
A
So think
particular
about the
subject.
expectations also. Yeah, so surely please tell everyone, because in the next class I will be asking you what is your expectation from this class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we'll be doing it. Fine. Yeah, one more
Yes,
thing.
sir.
Sorry, I will be on leave from this 10th to 15th. No, not from 11th to 15th. So if you can arrange for some extra classes before, that will be of great help.
Sure, sir.
Right. So find out the slot and we'll be able to. Let me tell you about my slot. I am occupied from. Okay, I will tell you. I will just share the
Okay.
screenshot with you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so accordingly you can get me the classes in which you are free, and room is also there, because from tomorrow onwards you will be coming to the university. So please search out certain things and give me the feasibility. How can I be able to take the classes
Sure, sir.
in advance before I go for my vacations? On this for this period, I am going to Udaipur, so I will be busy during that day. Yeah, Rakesh, I would like to hear from you in the same way I've been hearing in the previous class also. The same participation is required from every one of you, right? Okay, guys, thank you. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye
Thank you,
bye.
sir.
See you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.